Well, hey everyone! Today we're here testing out the Camp Chef 17-inch Versatop griddle system. This is the griddle, and over here we have the barbecue box attachment. But I figured who better to test this system out than the best cook I know, my mama.
Hey, and we're hungry.
Nice. Yeah, we're hungry. We're gonna cook some chicken, so let's dive on in, you. Oh yeah, it's super dusty from King of the Hammers.
I'll say.
Yeah. Today we're looking at the Camp Chef Versatop 14-inch cooking system. So I had the Blackstone 17-inch griddle in the Dodge Mahal, as you guys saw. Love cooking on a griddle system.
Whoa!
We're just kind of getting a little crazy in the kitchen here. Whoa, what's that all about? Oh, oh, oh. And I did a video on the Camp Chef stove oven. It was a little bit too big. I didn't really want to carry it around the oven with me. And Camp Chef reached out and they were like, hey, we got this Versatop system. We got a griddle. We got a barbecue box. We got an oven. And we can use these, and we can put this there, and it's a modular cooking system. So what do you guys think?
I think I want a pizza right now.
Let's get the griddle off here. We'll set the griddle aside. We can take our barbecue grill box with the help of our assistant. Thank you, mother. And set this right down there, like that. And then
Ready.
cool.
Oh, it looks wonderful. Well, I'll get the chicken.
You can put the little green guys right in there, little green bottles. But we've got our 15-pound propane with a little bit of an adapter. Oh, ding dong! So we'll hook that up. Alrighty. Alright, we can hear the flame on in there. We'll preheat this old barbecue box. We got a nice little deal here. Once we get the dust off it, we can see what the temp is.
Another one.
All right.
So
Yummy
we need to wrap
chicken.
this up. You have some
Yeah. Got some
little garlic, ajo,
salt and pepper.
salt and pepper. Always
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Dang, this thing heated up quick. It's at
that's
325
quite amazing,
already.
actually, isn't it?
Yeah, that's pretty good, huh?
See?
The barbecue box.
You haven't used
Ooh, it's
too much
hot in there.
Rosemary.
350. We're there, Mom. Are you ready?
Man, that really heated up quickly.
Yeah,
All right.
I know.
Good.
That was quick.
Yes.
A lot
So-
quicker than the Camp Chef stove oven, which is why I kind of ended up with this stuff, is because
Yeah.
I sold the stove oven. This is a lot more versatile. So
You-
anyways, let's throw the chicken on.
Tongs or something? We need tongs or something.
Opened up.
Ooh, these are thick too, so they're gonna need time.
Yeah, we got our little meat thermometer too.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get the, we got some flame in there.
They'll be good.
Yummy. All right, cool. We'll let you guys chill. I got the meat thermometer. Should I hook it up? When do I hook it up?
Not yet.
I'm not very good with chicken. So hopefully we can do
Soon.
this chicken good. Ooh, look at all that smoke coming out. Yeah, I should probably clean this thing. It is very dirty from King of the Hammers still. Ooh, and it's hot on the top. That's fun to clean with a wet. It's like smoking. That's
All
kind of
right,
fun.
a little more. Oh, they're coming. They're coming good.
Nice. Oops, it's actually the 14-inch griddle. What was I thinking? Fits 14-inch accessories. They do have a 17-inch one though, I think.
Don't forget your vegetables.
Let's get them veggies on there. Some spare guy.
Ooh, I can see my chicken.
Hungry, I'm hungry. Using that Trayvax knife.
Check that chicken.
Super
Healthy.
I think these things are good to go. We're pulling them. Oh yeah. Oh,
Not gonna rain.
delicious. Mmm. Huh. Cards. I'll cut the chicken soon. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. We're gonna make some coffee. Yeah, with the old Camp Chef, it doesn't. The only thing I don't really have is a burner. So what I'm gonna do for my coffee, just light it up, and I'm just gonna stick it right on there. Right? What's wrong with that? Well, it takes a little while, but it works. If you hold it right like this, let it heat up, hold it like that, then it's really getting boiled. Yo! Alright, so this isn't our first experience with the griddle, so we kind of know what I'm doing, but this is the first use on this griddle, so we're going to put some olive oil on it. You could do coconut oil or whatever, but we're just going to spread a little bit of that around, and then we're going to cook up some bacon on it. We're going to get the bacon fat on here, and then just crank this thing on high and roast it and bake that bacon fat in there to season the cast iron. Let it cool down. And then we'll throw some eggs and we'll do our whole breakfast. That's the thing with the cast iron. They always say, if you take care of it, it'll take care of you. And it holds so much flavor.
Like paracetamol material.
All right, so we just took our first bacon off. You can see it didn't really cook like super awesome because it's a new pan. So we'll get it all seasoned. We're gonna move all this grease around and we're just gonna crank it up. Now it's just smoking up, cooking that grease into there. All this fancy cooking gear, and I forgot a spatula, so yeah, fork will work, I guess. Until we get to the eggs. Get some peppers and onions on. Chopped by Mama. Alright, little eggies.
Delicious.
Once you're all done with the cast iron, gotta clean it all up. So we put some water on there, bubbling that up. And I like this little cast iron tool to clean and just get all the rough pieces off. We'll let it boil a little more. Then we'll wipe it down with a paper towel and smear around some olive oil. Now it's gonna be ready for our steaks tonight. Steaks. Gotta get that griddle real nice and hot for them steaks. Mushies. Zooks, asparagus, and onions? Holy cow, 4 different veggies. That's awesome.
Vegetables are good for you.
Yeah. Mushrooms. Zooks. Holy cow, this is a big meal here.
You gotta eat your vegetables.
Whoa, they even all fit on there. Wowzers, look at that. Ha ha ha. All right. This is great. Look at this. Would you look at it? Wow. That's a spread. Way more veggies than meat, but that's good.
Yeah,
About 50-50. That's really how it should be. Well, the steak didn't sear up exactly how I like, but it turns into a nice medley of, what do we call these? Steak.
Medallions of beef.
Medallions of beef. So yeah, if it's got a fancy name, it's good to go, and it's delicious. Hey, thanks so much for watching this cooking video with the new Camp Chef 14-inch Versatop system. I absolutely love it, and I figured I'd give you a sneak peek into my next camp spot. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you do want to support the channel and become a contributor, please check out my Patreon below. But I appreciate you watching. Drop a comment, let me know what you think. And if you did enjoy the video, turn that thumbs up blue. Oh wow, my thumb's a little dirty. Stay tuned for my video of camping with my mom that really just documents that whole experience. We get to chat with her and learn about her a little bit more. And that's coming just in time for Mother's Day. The only question is, are you down to mob with me? I just thought of that, that's fun.